Hello, this is John Bowen, CEO of CEG Worldwide, and I'm bringing to you the first word for the Elite Advisor Report. Each week I have the opportunity to share with you one focused area in a short video of how you can get more results for your clients. Now, when we talk about that, one of the areas that I think that's so important is this concept that we call making the shift. And the shift that I'm talking about is quite simple. It's making the shift from hunting to farming. Now, some of you have been in the industry for a long time, like myself. You know, the hunting, we were going out, and I can still remember meeting with one of the top financial advisors when I started in the industry in the very late 70s, early 80s. And I was meeting with this top financial advisor, and he was on the cover of all the magazines, and I said, Jerry, how do you go about really being as successful you are? And he goes, John, it's quite simple. You get up every morning, you get out of the cave, you go out, you hunt, you kill something, you drag it back to the cave. I gotta tell you, that was a whoa, that's not what I signed up for. I really wanted to do a great job for our clients. And it just seemed that would be a terrible way to generate business. And I'm happy to say that the most successful advisors, certainly that we get the privilege of coaching, are doing what I'm calling farming. And they really focus on two areas. What they're doing is they're getting results for clients, not just investment results, but they're getting results for the client's key concerns, and they're getting more clients, prospective clients, to raise their hand to explore having a conversation. Let me point out, getting results. There are 5 major concerns that your clients have: making smart decisions about their money, mitigating income taxes, taking care of their heirs, making sure their assets are not unjustly taken, and to the extent they're charitable, making sure their gifts have big impact. So you have to be able to get results in each of those areas, and you also have to have more potential or prospective clients raise their hand. Well, how are we seeing that happen? Well, we have a process. If we contrast what was being done, and unfortunately still being done way too much in our industry, we call firm-driven, and the second one, client-driven. Let me blow this up so it's a little easier for you to see. Firm-driven, what are we talking about here? The investment firm. You know, stereotypical, the big financial firm, what they would do is they would have a stockbroker, and this, let's say it's a major wirehouse. And they would have a stockbroker who would sell to the customer. Matter of fact, they would have, some of you who remember a little bit of this is, you know, they'd have a squawk box, and they would say, okay, this is what we're making available to our clients. And then the stockbroker was often referred to as a customer man and sold to the customer. And quite honestly, if they didn't want to sell, the firm would find someone else who did. Well, that's been turned all around by the most successful advisors. You know, whether you're at the major wirehouses, independent broker dealer, or RIA, certainly the ones that we get the opportunity to coach, they become very, very client-driven. Let me walk you through how that works and blow it up again. In a client-driven situation, what we're seeing is the client is on top versus the firm. The financial advisor then acts as kind of the general manager, not the quarterback, the general manager, and aligns the different tools to solve those clients' most pressing financial concerns. I mean, this is a real opportunity for us as financial advisors, as the world's turned upside down, and we can deliver a lot of value. Now, how do we get that message out? Because if we're dealing with their concerns, what we have is we have a real opportunity to go ahead and get the message out. And let me share with you how we think of the differences here. When we look at it, the primary purpose in the old way of marketing, firm-driven, was to get the message out so that we can sell products and services. Conversational, what we're looking to do is to build and enhance relationships, to get people to raise their hand so that they'll explore working with you, because you don't want to work with people that you can't add value. Primary message, old-fashioned, it's all about what you sell, that's specific. Here, what you're looking at is addressing the client's most pressing challenges. Communication, broad-based, here it's very customized to the client. Type of content, it's all about talking. In conversation, it's all about listening. Methods, informational, educational. Here, we're much more inspiring. We're trying to move them to action so that they can make smart decisions about their money. See, the more we move from a firm-driven to a client-driven model, the old-fashioned way of communicating to the new conversational marketing, getting our clients results, solving the most pressing challenges, and second, getting prospective clients to raise their hands, the better we'll do. This is a great business. We do well by serving our clients well. Wish you the best of success. Your clients and your future clients are counting on you. Do not let them down.